Well, hey, all welcome. Now, a few years back, I uploaded a video on how to make KFC coleslaw at home, and it was a big hit. In fact, it tastes exactly like KFC coleslaw. Now, how can I say that? I can say that by the number of people who watched the video, made the recipe, then came back and left a comment in the comment section saying it tastes exactly like KFC. Now on this video, I'm going to share a condensed version of that recipe. Plus I want to shake things up and have some fun. Now for those of you who stick around to the end, I'm going to share a family-friendly joke of the day that has to do with this image. If you have the time, it's best to make coleslaw about 24 hours in advance. This lets the flavors blend, softens the cabbage just enough while keeping it crisp, and keeps the dressing nice and creamy instead of watery. Now let's start by making the slaw dressing. We're going to add 1/2 cup of mayonnaise with 5 tablespoons of sugar. Yep, I said 5. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Next we'll add 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Now I use onion powder because fresh onion can be tricky to get the flavor just right. If you use onion powder, you know you're going to nail it. We'll add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Mix everything together. Then we add 3 to 4 cups of shredded cabbage and 1 large shredded carrot. Give it a good mix, cover it up, and pop it in the fridge. And now for joke of the day. A frog walks into a bank and asks for a loan. He talks to the loan manager, Mr. Paddywhack. The loan officer says, "You'll need some collateral." The frog pulls out a tiny statue from his pocket and sets it on the desk. Confused, the loan officer goes to the bank manager and says, "There's a frog out there wanting a loan. He gave me this as collateral, and I have no idea what it is." The manager sighs and says, "It's a knick-knack, Paddywhack. Give the frog a loan." Now, if you want to hear Joke of the Day in future videos, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.